Howdy y'all! Welcome back to Granny's Wild Edits. You know what gets Granny's goat every dang time? Leanin' buildings. They hurt my soul. Well, today's the day we fix that mess. This here's a gorgeous sunset skyline on the water, straight from Pixabay, all warm, golden glow and potential. But them buildings are leaning back like they're trying to escape the frame. I'm gonna give this crooked shot my honest granny roast, then show you how quick and easy I straighten it right up in Luminar Neo. No fancy tricks, just good old perspective magic. Let's get to fixing, sugar. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, honey, just look at this poor thing. Buildings leaning back away from the water like they're trying to flee the scene. Horizon tilted every which way. Whole skylines feeling off balance and wobbly. That sunset's pouring gorgeous warm tones, but the crooked lines distract and destabilize everything. Just plain painful to look at. Granny's heart aches seeing good potential go to waste like this. But here's the truth. We've all snapped crooked shots when we were learning. Even Granny did. Perspective correction is one of the quickest, most powerful fixes out there. And it makes a world of difference. Let's bring this sunset back to standing tall and proud. Granny knows perspective fixes aren't simple. And honey, they've come a long way. Back in the day, I'd spend a half an hour dragging sliders, nudging verticals, straight without turning buildings into pretzels or leaving weird gaps along edges. Half the time it looked worse. Made me want to shut the Mac down and bake biscuits instead. Nowadays, AI has turned it into a one-button miracle most days. Bless the tech folks for that gift. Watch how easy it is for clean, fast corrections. First, one-click level the horizon. Straighten tool or auto alignment. Boom. Steady as she goes. Then, one-click straighten the buildings. Vertical snap proud and tall again. There we go. Already feeling steadier, ain't it? Next, crop 16 to 9. Trims that empty space top and bottom. Tightens composition so sunset and skyline fill the frame just right. Ah, now we're talking. To tame that bland sky edges and focus the warmth, add gentle vignette. Darkens corners, keeps light hugging the buildings. Curves necks to brighten overall. Pull shadows to recover sunset depth. I used to overbrighten and wash out the moon. Learned the hard way. But not today. Dynamic contrast wakes up architectural details, windows and textures pop, but I dial it back quick if it gets too rowdy. Finally, remove color cast, lower saturation for realism, tone down reds so sunset stays warm and believable, not like it caught fire. There she is, from Leanin mess to proud glowing cityscape. No more buildings hurting my soul. Simple changes, big granny magic. Now sugar, before you go running off to try this yourself, Granny's got a few quick tips from all the Leanin messes I've straightened out over the years. Level the horizon first. Use that one-click auto if you can. Straighten verticals next, but go easy, darling. Overdo it, and your buildings start looking like they've been stretched on a rack. Crop smart. 16:9 is my sweet spot for skylines. It cuts out all that dead space and lets the sunset do its job without fighting for attention. Vignette is your friend. It tames the sky and pulls the eye right where it belongs. Ease off saturation and reds for realism. I've learned the hard way that cranking everything up makes it look like everything's on fire. Do these little things and your crooked shots turn into ones you'll be proud to hang on your wall. Granny promises. So if you've got Leanin buildings or crooked horizons hiding in your library, don't delete them, sugar. If you want Granny to give them my honest roast and turn them into something glowing and wall-worthy, check the link in the description. That's where you'll find how to submit your shots, what the process looks like, and my current rates for personal edits. Granny don't work for free, darling, but I do work with love, sass, and a whole lot of magic. Hit subscribe for more roast, fixes, real talk, and magic like this. Ring that bell. You know Granny hates repeating herself. What's up next? Good photogs? Good editors? Rarely both. Granny's brutal truth. That's all Granny's got for today. Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon. Granny'll be a-waitin'.